Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Ace 2V and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, basically this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So as I said, let's open the browser, and in my case I have to tap on the three dot icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. And as you can see, this is the list of previously visited websites, and of course if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you've got a really long list and if you want to remove some advanced browsing data, I highly recommend to tap on this option at the top, Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cache images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. You can also change the time range from all time to last hour. I believe defaultly the last hour is set. So simply tap on the option and tap on Clear Data. And as you can see right now, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.